What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to go over Kucoin leverage trading with Cardano as an option, and just a little bit about the Kucoin mobile app. So stay tuned. Guys and gals, before we get started, I have to say this. We are not financial advisors. Cryptocurrency is highly speculative. You can lose any and all of your money. Please seek a financial advisor before making any decisions on if crypto is right for you. Down in the description box of this video, we have links to some of the platforms that we use. Please take the time to check them out and be sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell and click on all so you don't miss any future videos. Smash the thumbs up for the algos, and thank you for all your support. All right, guys, I made this recording with my cell phone, so I apologize if the quality's not that great. Also, there's a couple things that I left out, so I'm going to stop and try to explain it the best I can and then keep rolling. Use my mouse to help point you in the right direction too as well when it comes to what's going on. And also, if there's a echo, there's not much I can do about it. I'm not sure why there's an echo. I had to use desktop audio, and I'm using my headphones too as well, so there's a little bit of I think, feedback going on because of it. I usually can get it taken care of with the live versions or with any other type of recording, but since I'm using a pre-recorded video over a recording, I have to use desktop audio and it's causing that feedback, so I apologize. What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to go over leverage trading with futures contracts on the Kucoin mobile app for Android. So I'm not going to go over the whole app with you, but I've been getting a lot of requests like, how do you leverage trade right now? Because all these altcoins are going up 20, 30, 40, 50% in a day. And if you leverage that, say 50% at 2x leverage, you're getting 100% of the value because you're 2 to 1 for every percent that it goes up. So huge potential, huge risk as well. So if it goes the other direction of your trade, then you're gonna lose. If it goes down 50% at 2x, you're gonna lose. You're gonna get liquidated pretty much. You'll be down 100%. You'll lose all of your funds that were in that current trade. So just be aware of the risk. Make sure you know what you're doing and if that trade's going to go that direction. We could go into stop losses too, but so this is the home screen of the Kucoin mobile app. If you look at the bottom, you'll see the bottom left, the little greenhouse says home, and then you look to the right of that, it says markets, and then trade, and then futures. Okay, that's what you want. But make sure, if you don't have this app downloaded, go ahead and pause this video right now, download the app, and then once the app's downloaded. So yeah, once you get the app downloaded, you also need funds in there if you want to actually make a physical trade. What I was gonna say is that you need to go over here to your assets. I have it blanked out because there's a watermark from another app that I was using. You need to deposit your funds. So once you have your funds deposited, there's 4 separate accounts. There's a staking wallet, there's your markets, your trading, and then your futures, and then your main. When you deposit your funds, it should go into your main first unless you have it set up. I think there's a way to set it up. You can just send it straight to your futures, but you're going to, once the funds get in there, you're going to want to go to transfer them. So you're going to want to go to your assets. Say you deposited Bitcoin, you want to transfer it over to markets if you want to trade the Bitcoin into USDT to trade the USDT pairs, or you can keep it into Bitcoin and go straight to futures and trade Bitcoin versus Bitcoin. But if you want to trade against all coins, you're going to want to transfer it. So you're going to want to go to markets, exchange your Bitcoin for USDT, and then transfer it again from your markets to your futures wallet. I think the main reason why they have that set up is so that way, if you've got $10,000 on the account in the app,
Um, some of it might be in your main account, but whatever futures you're trading with, if you get liquidated, you're not going to liquidate all the assets on the entire platform. So that's why they have the different wallets set up separately. So there's less of a risk of losing all of your funds at once. So that's what I forgot to explain in this recording. But the futures would be right down here at the bottom, the towards the right, the middle right.
To make sure you've got funds deposited, so you can trade if you want to trade, or just to go through the app. You don't need any funds on there just to go through the app. So um, go ahead and pause this, download it, and then come back to it. But if you've got it, if you've got it downloaded, you want to click on futures, and then at the top left, you'll see ADA Perp. You can go click on that little hamburger icon, the little three lines next to ADA Perp on the top left. Click on that. Now you've got all these different options for USDT pairs. You got to have USD Tether in order to use these. Now, some coins like Bitcoin, there is an option to trade against Bitcoin. Um, so you can actually use your own Bitcoin to trade against Bitcoin and leverage it. So USDT pairs, you've got BTC, ETH, XRP, Doge, DOT, BNB, Aave, Luna, BCH, BSV, Link, Uni, YFI, EOS, ADA, LTC, Tron, GRT, Sushi, XLM, 1inch, Zcash, Dash, Kusama, and VChain. And as you can see, Sushi, look at Sushi, 33.25%. If you were to 2x that leverage, you'd be up 66%. If you were to 5x that, you'd be up over 100%, 150%. So huge potential to making some gains. If you know that these coins are going to jump and skyrocket, then leverage trading is definitely where it's at to gain more money quicker. So let's go back here into Cardano, and let's go ahead and say, all right, well, let's short this. So what you want to do, you click on that cell. It should be highlighted red, and then below that is the leverage. You want to click on leverage, and then you want to put your leverage. Now you could go up to 50x leverage, but max available for me is 20x, because you have to go in and do more KYC functions, know your customer functions, like put in your driver's license and other stuff like that. So you don't want to do 20x leverage though. I think 2 or 3, maybe 4x is the safer bet. I like to do 2 and 3. I've done 10x before, and it just doesn't work out too good. Not enough wiggle room. So let's do 3x for this as an example. And then what you want to do, you can actually tap on you see the red and the green money fluctuating on the right hand side. You can actually tap on the price, and it'll show up in the amount up there below the leverage. So now what you want to do, now you have a price that you want to buy in at. That's your limit. You can set a stop limit. Now how you do a stop limit? Say you want to do $1.12. Or say you want to do $1.13. 40. So that's your stop. That's the last. So if the price hits that, it'll trigger what my sell would be. And say I want to do 3.9 as a sell. So the top one, 1.134 would be my trigger. 1.1339 would be the price that I'm actually shorting at. And then you want to do your percentage. So you can click 25%, that would be $1.16 of what you can buy 3 contracts for $1.16. You could do 50%, what you get 6 contracts, or you get 100% and do 13 contracts with $5. So you could short 16 contracts with $5. I'm gonna go ahead and do a limit, and I'm gonna short at 13, 100%. Let's go ahead and short it. I gotta type in my password real quick, and there you go. It already filled. So as you can see, my positions down here is already active, and I'm already in profit. I'm up 4 cents. I'm up 1% already. And so that's how you leverage. Now, if you wanted, so sell short means you're betting that the price is going to go down. Okay. If you want to buy long, you're betting that the price will go up from where we're at right now. So now let's get into this down here. This is your position, and you want to do a stop loss. So you want to click on that profit and loss in the bottom left square, profit and loss. Click on that, and now here's your take profit. What's your take profit price? You want to sell at $2? All right, let's sell at $2, and or 25%. Actually, we're going down. I sold a short, so let's take profit at $1. I'll make $1 profit, and my stop loss, I'll do a 5% stop loss. So if the price goes to $1.14, I'll get stopped out, and I'll lose 18 cents. So I won't lose any more than 5%. Now this is last price, so give or take, it might be like between 5 and 7% that you lose, but it's better than 100% of your assets and getting liquidated. So that's how you do a stop loss. So now, as you can see, you have your stop loss at $1.14. Your take profit is at $1.03. So right now I'm up almost 2%, and I've gained 6 cents.
So this is like your current entry. You entered at $1.13. Your liquidation price, if the price goes to $1.49, then you're liquidated. You lose your entire account of whatever you placed a bet of, $5 or 1,000 or 10,000, whatever you're betting. And then the mark price is the current price of where we're at. So since it went down, of course, the position, your P&L, that's 1.4%. This is your fees. That's your margin of how much value you have in the margin trade. Also, the limit close, you can click on, you exit out of these if you want to close your position right away. If you think, no, I'm not waiting for 5%, I know it's going to go down, or I know whatever, I want to sell now, take my profits, then you click on this, and then you can do a limit where you put in the number you want to sell at, or you do a market close. That'll automatically close everything out instantly, and you take whatever profits they give you. If it says $100 and you only get 90 back, well, that's because they hurried up and sold out before it dropped any further. So you were able to take some profits off the table immediately without, instant. Now, also, you can move your profit and loss. So say you're in so much profits, say you're up 100%. Why leave your stop loss at negative 5%? Exit out of here, put your profit loss, your stop loss, put that above your entry price or below, or ahead of it. So if you're shorting and you're already at 90 cents, you're in profit, your entry price is $1.13, you had your stop loss at $1.14. Well, it's silly not to move this, so you're always in profit. So move your stop loss to $1.05. So now, if the price comes back up from 90 cents to $1.05, it'll close your trade out. You'll take profits off the table, and you'll never lose on this trade now. So that's another thing. Make sure you're always doing a trailing stop. We're gonna put together more instructional videos on how to do that down the road. So make sure you guys subscribe for sure.
Now, here's the look in the middle. It shows realized PNL USD, and then there's a minus 0.01, and then minus 0.006. That's actually the charge, the fee for this transaction. So you want to keep, you want to be aware, like, hey, if the profits are less than the fees, then you're not making any money. Because sometimes if you have bigger money that you're working with, and you say you're playing with $1,000, that fee could be around $5 or $10. So you want to make sure, if you're in profit, you want to make sure you're not. If you're only $2-3 in profit, you don't want to take profits, because on the right hand side, look, I'm up 3% already. I made 11 cents. But you want to pay attention to the middle price too, that realized PNL USD, that 0.006 or 0.01, it's less than 0.01. That's a 1 cent fee almost. Well, it's half of a cent, but so that's pretty much it, guys. And you could do that, like I said, with all these different pairs. You've got Cardano, Sushi, Link, Aave, BNB, Dot, Doge, XRP. If you like this video, you like this content, you're new at crypto trading, you want to find out more information, there's going to be a lot more videos coming up in the near future. I'm going to get my buddies on. We're all going to try to do a round table and give our own point of views on crypto and where crypto's headed. And but other than that, everybody take it easy, have a good one, and we'll see you. Oh, make sure subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell, and this Kucoin app, I put a link for it down in the description box as well. So if you guys want to sign up for Kucoin, links in the description. So and that helps me out too. So greatly appreciated. Take it easy, have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.